Merl, andyan na kayo? Merl. Tanong, saan tayo magpap...
Christmas party nilang commander. Ha? Kahit okay lang naman kahit makita. Yan. Okay na. Dami na ito ha. 5 real po isa.
Masali. May pabonus eh.
Ayan. Artista to. Ah, sir, kamusta?
Kamusta, sir?
Kamusta? Long time no see. Oh, mga sir.
Guwapa.
Ah, kinakalat na yan.
Welcome, nursing department, providing care for the sick and care department. Woo! Come on, guys, come on. Cheer up, come on.
Chicha nila dito.
Please welcome our laboratory department. Of course, it's very soft. Guys, on, clever hands to our laboratory department, and of course, we have AR, the one taking care of the kids.
Para mushroom soup to. Salad.
And now, last but not least, our newest reporters, we have the staff or housing keeping department. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the most anticipated event of the year. I'll walk up by the Wow, I know you are excited to feel the celebration and Sensei Pauline! Wow! Grabe! Asan ba yung mood dyan? Come on! Wow! You know that they are so excited. Sa kabila, did you understand Tagalog? Because you have a minor age. Am I right? Sabihin na natin. Okay, once again, what do you want to say? Wow, Amber need the three. Okay, now, please give her a 4. Pauline! Go for the 500, ha?
500, 500. Sige lang.
Legend, once again, comprehensive. Can did you like it? Yeah. Okay, say you want more?
Yes!
Okay, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wala pa natin, guys. Come on. Grabe ang talented ng batang yan. And of course, okay, ready? One, two. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Anaja, thank you so much. Woo. Come on. One, two, three, four, five, six. Gusto ko kagulo. Sorry. Pasensya. Gusto ko gulo tayo. Gulo. Ha. Please go back to your respective seats. Sabay-sabay natin bubuksan. Huwag po tayo katulad last year. Sabay-sabay natin binuksan na cake natin. Come on. Sige po, can you please go back to your seat, please? Please.
After this round na.
Okay, ready? Okay. Ha? May twist to.
Okay, first
Okay, ready? 1. Ilan ang pipiliin? Parang na ibang step ah. Alam po ba ng asawa nyo ang ginagawa nyo?
Yes!
Sige! Alon! Isa pa! Okay! Kasi nakita ko nag-enjoy siya eh. Sige ma'am, isa pa. Okay. Grabe!
Yes! Sino pa?
Okay ha. Congratulations!
Ano po rin group number? Group number 1.
Group number 1. Sit down, please.
Group number 1.
Group number 1. Ano pa? Ang last na ating game, no? Happy there, guys!
Marcos!
Yes po. Ang bilis talaga ni Sir. Matindi ang pangangailangan. $200 yan ha. Mag 200 to. Miss Faye. 2, 3, Anong department mo, sir? Kitchen. May kitchen department? Ha? Okay, sila talaga ang nanalo, guys. Palakpak. Sige po, wait lang ha. Okay, sila ba ang team 1? Sila ba ang team 2? Nasaan ang team 2? Nasaan ang team 3? Team 4? At team 5? At team 6? Okay, ibigay na natin ang 100.
Smile! Diba stage mother?
Wala pa siya. Attention, okay, straight line na tayo. Okay, tonight, pasayahin natin ang Alwakra family. Okay, sayaw! 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, hindi po talaga kayong nanalo. Kayo ang nanalo! Okay, sino ba? Hanin mo kayo, niloloko niyo. Saan po music? Okay, walang personalan. Okay, ready? Okay.
Totoo yun.
Galing yung nagtagal kami. Sila ang nanalo, yung nagtagal kami. Sila yung niloloko niyo kami. Joke lang, joke lang. Congratulations.
Ano gusto mo?
Go, go, go. Sige na, try it, try it, try it. Try it. Go. Break the ice.